All right, Ms. Morales, I think you said you did remember giving a deposition in this case, right?
Yes.
And you gave a deposition on October 27th, 2015, right?
I don't remember the date, but it sounds like it.
Okay. And when you gave that deposition, you were under oath, right?
Yes.
Just like you are today, right?
Correct.
Okay. You want me to throw?
Sure. Thank you.
The objection is sustained.
Yeah, it was.
Okay.
I don't know why.
I'm going back to another question. And ma'am, I'd like you to turn to page 101. And I'll direct Mr. Person. 101, lines 22 to 25. And I'll ask you to, when you get there, just let me know and then read it to yourself, and I'll ask you a question.
I'm going to get my reading glasses, okay?
Oh, sure.
Okay.
All right. Ms. Morales, at your deposition, you were asked the following question and gave the following answer. Question. And at the time the doctor diagnosed your mother with cancer, did he explain the cause of the cancer? Answer. That I don't remember. And did I read it correctly?
Yes.
Okay.
At the time that she found out, but not at the time that she went to Dr. Mitrani.
Okay.
So when she found out, we were not aware of the cause of the cancer yet, because the doctor, which he calls himself doctor, he wasn't explaining himself so well. He just told my mom, you have cancer, you're going to die. There's nothing that you could do. You have 6 months to live.
Okay. And then after that, your mom underwent some radiation treatments, right?
Yes.
And you said that you were around her a lot during that time in order to observe her state of mind, right?
Yes.
And that you were around her a lot when you went to the radiation treatments with her.
I said that I went with her. I didn't say that all the time.
Okay, but you did go to some of the radiation
Yes,
treatments
I
with
did.
her. And during that time, you said that you live only 5 minutes away, right?
I used to live with her at that time.
Okay, so you lived with her at the time,
Yes.
and you're around her a lot. And during
Yes.
that entire time, you didn't see her smoke, right?
After what
Objection beyond the scope.
Sustained.
You mean after? Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
Well, you said, ma'am, that you were around her a lot, able to observe her mental status, and she never said anything to you about smoking, right, during that time?
After?
During the time that she was undergoing radiation, right?
No, she didn't say anything about smoking.
And she never at any time...
Not to my knowledge.
Okay. And never at any time has she ever said that she was addicted to smoking, right?
I don't think that's a conversation that you will have with your daughter.
Okay. Even after she's filed this lawsuit claiming that smoking caused her laryngeal cancer and that she was addicted, she's never told you that she was addicted, right?
I object, Your Honor. The defendant filed a motion in limine and asked the court to rule that this opinion couldn't be given. And
I'm not asking for an opinion. I'm asking.
Sustained.
You've never had a conversation with your mother where she told you she was addicted, right?
Same objection.
Well, it's estimated, so it's sustained.
And isn't it true that your mom has never told you that she's craved a cigarette since the last time you ever saw her smoke, right?
Objection beyond the scope.
Sustained.
Your Honor, just one moment.
Sure, no problem.
Now, Ms. Morales, as you said, that you are here to talk about the effects of your mom's laryngeal cancer on her, right?
Yes.
Object to the form. That's what the lawyer said, not the witness.
Overruled on that.
But just to be clear, you're not here to talk about your mom smoking at all, right?
My mom's smoking?
Yes.
No, I'm here because she's sick, and that's my mom, and we went through a lot, and because of the cigarette, now our life changed completely.
But you have no information on her smoking in order to give this jury to assess the decisions they have to make in this case, right?
I'm not an expert, Mom. I could only say what we go through. That's the only thing I could say.
Right, and you're not here to say anything about smoking, right? Your mom's smoking.
I'm not an expert, I said.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much, Ms. Schneider. Ms. Wilkerson.